Hello, please tell us your name, your company, and what you're doing here at SAP TechEd in Amsterdam.
Yeah, I'm Sergey Dunaev. I'm SAP Practice Lead from Severstal. It's a Russian steel-making company. And here I'm for the first time, but I'm not just taking part here. I will also conducting the round table for one topic that we'll talk to later. And we got also an expert session.
That's great. So you did conduct an expert networking session today, or was it a round table?
It was both,
okay.
Actually.
So tell us a little bit about the topic. What was the topic of your roundtable, and maybe a quick summary of what you covered?
Yeah, roundtable was about SAP User Experience Management by Knoa, and it's a quite new product that a lot of customers are interested currently in this one. We are the first implementation in Russia, so this was the topic. Just share some experience, what was it, some struggles, some difficulties that we have came across during the project phase, where we are currently, and what are our main challenges for the next 2 years.
Okay, so I understand that it was a very well attended session, and there must have been a lot of interesting discussions. Can you share a few quick takeaways of some of the discussions or questions that people in your session had?
Yeah, sure. It was like 18 or 19 people, I can't remember exactly. And what I expected, there was questions from our colleagues from Russia, because of course we are the pilot unit and they are also interested not just in the product, but how it works particularly in Russia. But what I was surprised with that people from different countries, it was somebody from Unilever and somebody from Eureka, so they asked the same questions. So this shows that the interest to this product is quite equal in overall the world. Well, it was very friendly, and the questions was not just about what is the product. It was very precise. I mean, so the people has already learned what the product offers, and so they were interested in some details, how to conduct the project, what are the main challenges, what are the main benefits after the go live. So it was like this.
That's a very appropriate conversation, considering that TechEd is an educational event, and you were representing an SAP education topic. So now you said that this is your very first time at a SAP TechEd event. So what are your impressions so far?
Well, yes, it is the first time at SAP TechEd, but I was taking part at lots of SAP events across the world, SAP forums,
yes.
Sapphire, SAP Insider. So
what's different about TechEd from the other events, right?
This is the right question about the difference. Well, I didn't find any overall discussion about some ideas. I mean, all meetings are very exact, very precise. At the matter that is being analyzed for months or for years, I mean, the people is presenting just results, not the cloud, not the ideas. But this is the big difference just for me. Probably I'm wrong, but this is the first impression.
So very concrete and specific.
Very concrete, yeah.
So did you attend the keynote given by Bernd Leukert earlier?
No.
That's okay. So no, it's no problem. So maybe just one last comment on your experience at TechEd so far. Do you have time to visit more sessions?
Yeah, sure. I will. I will be tomorrow all the day, and I will try to come here on the third day, but just in the morning because I have a big flight in the middle of the day. So of course I will try to cover as much as I can.
Excellent. Well, thank you for making time to cover this topic of SAP User Experience Management by Knoa, sharing your education impressions and also your impressions of your first TechEd. Thank you very much, Sergey.
Thank you so much. Thanks.